Hi, so this is one of the units we've installed in our gym. If you see, we've already bolted the main base to the ceiling. Okay, that's gone into the main joist, which is running across the ceiling here. And once you've done that, I would suggest you then put the bolts on the wheels. Okay, so when you put them on, just make sure you feed the wire through first. Okay, so the wire feeds through that side and it goes through onto that. Okay, and then I would then tighten the bolts on either side, making sure they're fully tightened. Okay, also making sure that you leave the wire out hanging like so. Okay, so with the bolt, okay, just make sure it's fully open so you can fit the stuff in there. So you feed the wire through, so one single wire piece through, then you loop it back and you feed it back through the nut like so. Okay, you push that through all the way until it comes out at the top. So as you can see now, I've got the wire coming back on itself. With this loop then, what I do is I put that on, which is the protector, and then I pull the actual mechanism down. So I tighten it round the nut, like so. And then when that's formed there, okay, that's when you can tighten this up fully then. Okay, so for the other side, I've done the first side and now I'm going to do the other side. So this is where we attach the ball. So this is the stopper. So that goes through on this side. As you can see, if you look up at the top, there's a loop there just to protect it. So I'm going to put the stopper on this side. Okay, so it's just exactly the same way we've done it before. You feed that through. Okay. Feed that afterwards, you loop that back on each other, push that through the mechanism until it comes out the other end. So there it is. Then I pull this down a bit to tighten the loop. I put the loop in. Okay, and then that's formed a nice strong tight there. Just make sure you tighten these fully. Now this side goes to attach it to the loading pin, which I've got down below. The carabiner. There we are, that's set up then, so you can pull